Hey guys, and welcome to Katteb. So Twitter is huge right now, and it's as engaging and as popular as ever. And thankfully, Katteb has a template that is called Twitter hooks. So what it does, it primes your target audience to read your article. And of course, with Twitter, we have limitation in terms of characters. So what you can do, you can generate this hook and then use a link to lead the consumer or the viewer to your website, for example, or a social media platform. So we'll try and play around with 3 different topics today. The first one would be 10 ways AI copywriting can change your life. And we'll use default settings, which are English language, 1 variation, friendly tone, and 3rd person, but you can choose whatever. And let's see if Katteb is going to come up with something engaging. So the first hook is that AI copywriting can change your life in more ways than you think. Here are 10 ways AI copywriting can help you save time and make more money. So this is pretty good, in my honest opinion. So let's try another one. How I went from $0 to $5,000 as a copywriter with no experience. He was a beginner copywriter with no experience, but within 3 months he was able to make 5,000 USD. How did he do it? Find out the 5-step process. Okay, and I like this to be in first person. I think it's going to be more trustworthy. So let's amend that. And thankfully, Katteb can do that. I used to think copywriting was only for people with years of experience, but in less than 6 months, I went from 0 experience to earning over 5,000 USD. Here's how I did it. Perfect. So, okay, let's try something fun for the 3rd final topic of today. 11 ways to earn on Fiverr with AI copywriting tools like Katteb. Let's hit generate and see what happens. And this is the hook. Katteb is an AI copywriting tool that helps you earn on Fiverr in 11 different ways. From writing blog posts to creating social media content, Katteb streamlines the entire process. So if you are looking for a way to make money online, here are 11 ways to do it with Katteb. Perfect. So whatever your article is, whatever your piece of content is, you can use these perfectly written and engaging Twitter hooks to drive traffic to your content pieces, your articles, and enjoy everything that follows. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe if you haven't already, and welcome to Katteb.